This here is the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and it's time to unbox it, see what it's all about. Hello guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena and this is our first look at the Note 10 Plus. Now first of all, the box itself is quite simple. You have the Sband painted right here in the front. So this is the big focus of the Note 10 Plus series, the Sband, and of course it's a premium smartphone. So what is in the box? The first thing that you see inside the box is of course the phone itself. In our case, it is the beautiful Aura Glow finish, which changes its shade depending on the way you tilt it and the light it reflects. It really is a beautiful premium finish, but we'll take a closer look at the phone later on in our unboxing. Now let's take a look at the accessories that come included in the box. And the first thing and the most important one is probably the wall charger. You have a 25-watt wall charger here in the box. It uses USB-C to connect, so it's a USB-C to USB-C connection. You have a USB-C to USB-C cable as well. It's slightly bigger than before, but still not huge by any means. It's very lightweight, and in our case it's also painted in black. In terms of other accessories, you also have a pair of USB-C headphones. These are in-ear headphones tuned by AKG and they feel very comfortable. At first look, you also have a few different tips that you can change so you can get a better fit in your ear. And you also have a couple of accessories for the Sband. You have two different tips in different colors and a pair of tweezers, so you can easily take those tips and change them. What else you have in the box? You have a SIM ejector tool, of course. This is easy to apply. On the Note 10 Plus itself, you have a screen protector. And the last thing that you have in the box is a pair of adapters. So you have a full USB Type A or regular USB to USB-C, and you also have a micro USB to USB-C connection. So these are useful if you're trying to upload data or transfer data from another device. So that's about everything that you have in the box here. It's a pretty rich set of accessories. You don't have a case in the box, but apart from that, you pretty much get everything else. So let's now take a closer look at the Note 10 Plus itself. So the Note 10 Plus itself is a big phone. It's about as big as the OnePlus 7 Pro if you've held that phone, and it's a large phone, but it looks beautiful. It features those signature square shape corners. They're not as rounded as on the S10, so it definitely has its character. It's a premium phone. You have the Snapdragon 855 chip in the US version, and international models will ship with the Samsung made Exynos chip. You have a beautiful 6.8-inch display here. It's an AMOLED screen made by Samsung, the best of the best, gets really bright in direct sunlight. And of course, you have the latest version of Samsung One UI, Samsung One UI version 1.5, which is more refined now, has more items closer to the reach at the bottom part of the screen. The big focus, the camera again. You have the Sband that works with a few new camera features like AR Doodle. You can just scribble on top of yourself and get some really fun Instagram/Snapchat kind of effects that you can share with your friends. This is a fun gimmick, but a fun one. And what else? You have a big battery and you have a lot more features that we will cover in our full review that's coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. My name is Vic Christoph. It was a pleasure talking to you. I'll see you next time right here on PhoneArena.